Coordinates: 1 degree 24 minutes 14 seconds north, 103 degrees 47 minutes 39 seconds east, 1.403782 degrees north, 103.79414 degrees east, 1.403782. 103.79414. The River Safari is a river-themed zoo and aquarium located in Singapore. It is built over 12 hectares and nestled between its two counterparts, the Singapore Zoo and the Night Safari. Singapore. It is the first of its kind in Asia and features freshwater exhibits and a river boat ride as its main highlights. The safari was built at a cost of 160 million Singapore dollars, with an expected visitor rate of 820,000 people yearly. The giant panda forest was opened to the public on the 29th of November 2012, with a soft opening on the 3rd of April 2013, attracting close to 1,500 visitors. This attraction is the fourth zoo in Singapore, along with the Singapore Zoo, Jurong Bird Park, and Night Safari, all of which are managed by Wildlife Reserve Singapore. The park was officially opened on the 28th of February 2014, and it was announced that more than 1.1 million have visited the River Safari since its soft opening in April 2013. Conceptualization of such as River Safari began in early 2007, and its construction was officially announced to the public on the 11th of February 2009 with an estimated completion date of late 2011. The project began with an estimated budget of 140 million Singapore dollars as well as an annual visitor rate of 750,000. However, since the original announcement in 2009, the budget has since increased by 20 million Singapore dollars in 2010, due to rising construction costs, to 160 million Singapore dollars, and the annual visitor rate has also increased to 820,000. The park is built within the current 89-hectare compound already shared by the Singapore Zoo and Night Safari and occupies 12 hectares, making it the smallest of the three parks. The park has over 14 zones that showcase different animals that are native to rivers around the world. The park boasts a tropical rainforest setting along with its river theme with various animal attractions, theme park rides and other major exhibits. One of the main attractions is a pair of male and female giant pandas, Kai Kai plantation of special bamboo specially for the feeding of the giant pandas. These pandas are a sign of the 20th anniversary of friendly Sino-Singapore relations. The park also received a conservation donation from Capital Land. The names of the two pandas were selected from entries of a public naming competition organized in 2010. The pandas, which arrived in September 2012, are on a 10-year loan from China. On the 14th of August 2021, the first Panda Cub was born to Kai Kai and Jia Jia, with the gender of the cub not determined yet. This came after 7 breeding rounds since 2015, which did not yield any cubs. The pandas conceived via artificial insemination. The park features a boat ride called the Amazon River Quest. It features over 30 wildlife species from the Amazon River, such as Brazilian tapirs, capybaras, guanacos, brown-headed spider monkeys, brown capuchins, black howler monkeys, red howler monkeys, collared peccaries, jaguars, maned wolves, giant anteaters, two-toed sloths, Caribbean flamingos, common rheas, scarlet ibis, and green iguanas. It was opened to visitors on the 7th of December 2013. A 15-minute reservoir cruise on the Upper Seletar Reservoir will travel along the outskirts of Singapore Zoo and the Night Safari compound, which border on the reservoir, giving visitors a chance to spot animals including giraffes and Asian elephants. Tickets are priced at 5 Singapore dollars for adults and 3 Singapore dollars for children aged 3 to 12. On top of River Safari admission, each cruise can take up to 40 passengers and runs at 15-minute intervals from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. The boats are wheelchair-friendly. The ride opened on the 1st of August 2014. River Safari is not served directly by any MRT line, with the nearest station being the upcoming Springleaf MRT station. There are 3 bus services operated by SBS Transit and SMRT buses which calls at the bus stop near to the zoo. A shuttle service, known as the Mundi Khatib shuttle, plies daily between Khatib MRT station and the zoo. A one-way trip costs $1 for everyone above the age of 3. A separate service, known as the Mundi Express, operates on weekends and holidays to and from 3 locations in Bedok, Sengkang, and Tampines. A one-way trip costs between $1 and $3 for everyone above the age of 3.